Artificial intelligence is reshaping the software development landscape, making it faster, smarter, and more efficient than ever before. In this video, we're diving into how AI is revolutionizing the industry, from automating coding tasks to predicting software performance issues. Stay tuned to discover the key trends and technologies driving this transformation. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for updates on how AI is changing the world of health, technology, and beyond. AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's a reality that's being integrated into software development processes worldwide. From machine learning to natural language processing, these technologies are helping developers write cleaner code, detect bugs faster, and even automate repetitive tasks. Are you already seeing AI in action in your workplace? Let us know in the comments. Code generators like GitHub Copilot are changing the way developers work. These tools leverage AI to suggest code snippets, improve efficiency, and even write entire blocks of code based on a prompt. With AI as a collaborator, developers can focus on creative problem-solving rather than tedious manual coding. Have you tried any AI-powered coding tools? Share your experiences in the comments below. Testing is a critical part of software development, and AI is taking it to the next level. With tools that automatically generate and execute test cases, identify bugs, and predict potential issues, developers can ensure software quality faster than ever before. This not only saves time, but also reduces costs significantly. If you're a software tester, what's your take on AI in testing? We'd love to hear from you. AI is streamlining DevOps processes by optimizing workflows, managing infrastructure, and automating deployment pipelines. With predictive analytics, it can even foresee system failures before they happen, ensuring smoother software delivery. Continuous integration and delivery have never been this efficient. Want to see more content about AI and DevOps? Give this video a thumbs up and let us know. While AI brings incredible benefits, it also raises important ethical questions. How do we ensure AI tools don't introduce bias in code? What about job displacement for traditional developers? In this section, we discuss the ethical implications of AI in software development and explore how to navigate these challenges responsibly. What's your perspective on ethics in AI development? Join the conversation in the comments section. The future is bright, and AI is the driving force. Imagine software that writes itself, applications that self-heal, and AI tools that predict what users need before they know it themselves. By 2030, AI could even make software development accessible to non-programmers through intuitive interfaces and natural language programming. What's your vision for AI-powered development? Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on the future of technology. AI-powered software development isn't just a trend. It's a revolution that's changing how we create, deploy, and maintain software. Whether you're a developer, a tech enthusiast, or simply curious about the future, there's never been a more exciting time to explore this field. Which of these innovations excites you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on health and technology trends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.